Somebody must be outside. My doorbell cam. Somebody's outside. I can't believe Santa's outside. Let's go see if we can catch him. Oh, wow. Look at this. I think Santa brought me a new metal detector.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Why didn't you bark, dog? Well, that was pretty exciting to catch Santa dead in the act of delivering me a new metal detector. A Bounty Hunter Tracker Pro. Let's do an unboxing and open this baby up and see what all comes in the box. Alright, I'm excited to open this up. You know, I love anything that's a First Texas product, and the reason why is made in the USA. Always try to buy things that are made in the USA. Alright, so let's open this thing up. What's in the box? Ooh. I love the way they package these things too. They're always packaged very nice. Alright, so let's take everything out. Well, let's take a quick look at some of the features on the box here. It has a 7-inch concentric elliptical open waterproof search coil, a 9-segment category icon for target identification, discrimination, and notching. It has a target depth indicator. It adjusts for all sizes and ages. It detects coins up to 8 inches deep. It detects large objects over 2 feet deep. It has full discrimination control. Target notching system. It has 3-tone alert to different types of metal. It has fast and accurate target response. And this model is a 7.69 kilohertz and only weighs 2.2 pounds. Nice and lightweight. All right, let's take it out of the box. Like I said, packaged very nice, as always. So here it looks like we have a coupon for a digger tool, the ultimate target recovery tool for $29 from techneticsdirect.com. We'll keep that. And here it looks like we have the owner's manual. Now, if I could suggest anything, I suggest if you get a new metal detector, read these manuals from cover to cover. They will not only tell you how to operate your machine, but they also sometimes have a code of ethics for metal detectorists in here. So that's good to know. So always read these. And I think you can buy this metal detector at Costco for like $100 or less. So this is a great metal detector for anybody that's just looking to get into the hobby, but they're not sure if they want to or not. So you can buy this for $100 or less and find out if you like it. And then you can always upgrade. Alright, so let's unpackage this and see what all's in here. Alright, so it looks like the first thing on the outside is the coil. Let's check this out. 7-inch coil. And boy, it feels good. Nice and light. Material feels like it's made from real good material. You can usually tell when you feel some cheap plastic, but this feels good. Nice cord with a plug in. Alright, so let's see what else we got here. Oh yeah, this is the part I've been looking forward to. The control unit. Ta-da! Wow, look at that. Love the color. Nice big buttons, easy to use. Everything's clearly marked. Always love the way these feel. Man, that is light. This whole unit only weighs 2.2 pounds. And we gotta take it out to the side. Check that out. Boy, it's so light you can't even feel it. Sweet. Alright, so let's put this baby together. Here's some of these boxes. Alright, so this is a very easy unit to put together. If you look here, you have this little press-in tab here. And then on the back there are holes. So there you go. Man, that's nice and long. It's one thing I always have a problem with metal detectors is I'm 6'2", and sometimes I have to kind of bend over to get detectors to reach the ground, but this is nice and long. Alright, so let's put the coil on. Alright, so let's install the coil. Basically, you just have this little pin, and you have holes here. You just line these up. Stick the pin through. Put your little cap on. And I tighten these down a little, kind of snug. I don't tighten it down so tight that it won't move. Now, a good tip that I've learned not too long ago from one of my favorite metal detectorists, Russ Balbarona, was stretch out your cord, bend the coil like this, and then come up to right above the coil, and that's where you want to start wrapping it. And the reason you do that is because that way, if you have to move the coil, sometimes I'll crawl under playground equipment, and when I do that, I'll stretch the coil out like this so I can stretch it out and detect way back in tight spots. So you want to leave this a little bit loose, and you want to do your coil like this so you have this play. So that way you can get into different locations. So let's go ahead and do that, and we'll finish spiraling up the cord. Look how easy that is. Well, so when it comes to the power supply for this particular unit, it uses a 9-volt battery. You should never use a heavy duty or a industrial strength battery in any metal detector. So what you do on this particular unit is it's kind of just like my Time Ranger Pro and also my Fisher Gold Bug. You just take your thumb and slide that across like that, and then inside it does say plus or minus, so you just line up the battery and insert it like that, and this will slide right back in place. And there. Turn it off, turn it back on. Showing I have a full battery. Sweet. Can't wait to get out and use this. Alright guys, thanks for watching my unboxing video. I'm real excited about this present from Santa. I can't wait to get out and try it. This is perfect for somebody that's looking to get into metal detecting. Alright guys, I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I can't wait to see you all out there metal detecting.
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas!
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so